In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Before we begin, it's important to understand that WhatsApp never tells you directly that you've been blocked. There's no pop-up, no notification, and no official message. Instead, you have to look for a combination of signs. None of these are 100% conclusive on their own, but together, they can give you a pretty good idea of what's going on. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the person you're curious about. One of the simplest things to check is their last seen or online status at the top of the chat. If you used to see this information and now it has completely disappeared, that could be a sign you've been blocked. However, keep in mind that users can turn off their last seen and online status in their privacy settings, so this alone doesn't confirm anything. Next, look at their profile picture. If their photo suddenly disappears and is replaced with a blank or default image, that's another possible indicator. But again, they might have simply removed their picture or limited its visibility to their contacts only. Now, try sending them a message. Type a short, simple line and hit send. Pay close attention to the check marks next to your message. One gray check means the message was sent from your phone. Two gray checks mean it was delivered to their phone. When those checks turn blue, it means they've read it, assuming read receipts are enabled. If, over a long period of time, your messages only ever show a single gray check and never move to two gray checks, that's a strong sign that you may have been blocked, especially if your internet connection is stable and other chats work normally. You can also try calling them through WhatsApp. If your calls never go through and are always failing or ringing without ever being answered, while calls to other contacts work fine, that adds to the evidence. Another thing you can test is adding the person to a new WhatsApp group. Create a group, then try to add that contact. If you get an error saying you're not allowed to add them, it's very likely that this person has blocked you. Put all these clues together: no last seen or online status, missing profile picture, messages stuck on a single gray check, calls not going through, and being unable to add them to a group. If you see most or all of these signs at the same time, there's a good chance you've been blocked on WhatsApp.